Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy named Yakov Karni and I'm back with a brand new video, and today we are going to unbox all the stuff I need for my YouTube video, and I am so excited to open this box. And before I open this box and before I tell you everything about it, make sure to like the video, subscribe to me, comment below about your thoughts and everything about the video, and watch until the end. Thank you so much. Now back to the video. So what we're going to do right now, we are going to open the Amazon box that I got from Amazon. Alright, let's open it. Alright. See guys, I'm a real man. Alright. So let's see what we got here. So we got this. We also got a new lot. Let's see what's inside it, to be honest. Alright, let's put the box away. Let me face to everyone so everyone can see me what I'm doing right now. So we got two stuff in the box. I think this is a LED light for your, so people can see me recording. So I put lights for once. I don't even have lights in my room, but whatever. And then I got this. Some people, movie stars, they're famous, and then you have the workers. They say action. So I'm excited to open all of it. So let's open it. Holy crap! What we got here? Let's see what we got here. We got this. Oh my god, that's so cool, to be honest. Look, wait, action. Oh my god, actually, it says the scores, it says the take, it tells the row, it tells the date, it tells the sounds, and all type of stuff on it. It's so freaking cool. So when I'm doing a recording next time, guys, just be like, action. That'd be freaking cool. Let me see how that works. So they give you this piece over here, this white stuff. So I don't even know how to put it in. Maybe I have to put it inside it. I don't even know how to do this, to be honest. I don't even know what I'm doing. Let me know in the comments what you think I should do to put it inside it, because I don't even know what the hell I'm doing on this. Whatever. Tell me your thoughts about this, if you guys think it's pretty cool to have that for a YouTuber. And then I also got a light. Oh, comes with the light. I knew it was a light. You guys know what this is, right? Let me know in the comments if you guys know what this is. And it comes with this. So this is so cool. So it has an iOS and it has an Android. Sorry, my English is not that perfect. So stop making fun of me, but my English is not that good. So let's open it. See what we got here. What we got is this. Oh, that is so cool. I don't even know how to build it. So we have to, I think I have to learn how to do this. Alright. Oh, that's so freaking cool, to be honest. Alright, let me see. I think this goes like this. I don't know what I'm doing, guys, but let me know in the comments what I'm doing. If I'm doing the right thing I'm doing, so let me know in the comments. You know, I will respond to you right away. Alright. I'm not sure this goes that way. I'm not sure. Really not sure, guys. Just let me know if I'm doing the right thing. It's actually not turning how I want it to be. Wait. I kind of messed up this time. Fudge. Wait, maybe it goes like this, and then I have to turn it. Oh, I am such an idiot. I just broke that piece over here because I was too aggressive. I am such an idiot. Wait, my bad. Put it right here. Oh my god, I fixed it. No, I did not fix it. Oh, I did fix it. You heard that crack? I just fixed it. Now, let's see how it works. Let me just take this out. See what else they give us. Alright. So they give us I have no idea what this is. I'm still learning about all this new stuff I got from my YouTube stuff. So let me know in the comments about this one. I don't even know. I know what this is, but now I get it. So they give us this thing. That's so freaking cool. So let's just put it like this. Guys, again, I'm not a professional, what do you call it? A fixer? I'm not professional with fixing stuff. So okay, go like this. Don't ever let me fix your house because I suck in fixing stuff. And I hope this video gets 100k views. Now what? I'm still learning. Maybe I just have to tight it. I'm an idiot. No, don't do that. Wait, I think this goes like this. Maybe I just have to, wait, I have a good one. This is a good idea. Maybe I should put it, no. Should I put it like that? I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments how I have to do it. Do I do it straight? I'm not super OCD with this, but like, let's see how this is gonna work. Maybe if I just put it straight like this. So when I'm recording, that's a good idea, to be honest. Oh, that's so cool, to be honest. Oh my god, this is also so cool. Wait, I don't even know what I'm doing, but let's just learn how to do it. No, I don't know I did, but whatever. Wait, so how the hell should I put this? I don't have no idea. Wait. It doesn't make any sense. That doesn't really make sense, guys. I'm so sorry. Seriously, I get a mail while I'm doing a video, whatever. Go like this. For some reason, I kind of hate this because like even if I do it tight, it's just, oh, and now I get it. So I have to go like, so it's not gonna move. I get it. That's super cool. Let me see if I can turn it on. No. Whatever, I'm gonna just have to figure it out myself how to do this. If I don't know what I'm doing, I'm just gonna get a new one. Waste of money. I hope you guys liked the video. It was kind of whatever. So I hope you guys liked the video. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. And make sure to subscribe to me. We're almost close to hit 500 subscribers. Let's make this video get vials. And I hope you guys like this one also. It's so cool, to be honest. It's really cool. And this, I don't know what to say about this. I'm kind of not impressed about it. I'm kind of mad about it. Whatever. But have a nice day. I don't know what I'm doing. This video has to get so much views right now. So adios.